1. Magnets. A magnet is an object which can attract objects made of iron or mixtures of iron. Magnet. Iron. This attraction is called magnetism. Magnetism. Magnets have two poles, north and south. When the opposite poles are placed together, the magnets attract, repel each other. Magnets can be natural. Magnets can be artificial. Magnetic fields. Magnets create magnetic fields. 3. Electromagnets. Electromagnet is conducting wire wrapped around a piece of iron called a coil. The use of magnets. Magnets are used in electric motors and generators. Magnetic recording media are used in audio, cassettes, floppy disks, and hard. Magnetic strips store information on credit cards. Electromagnets are used in television, computer monitors. This is my Popplet. Bye bye!